Okay. Hi.
Hello.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you see me?
Yeah.
Okay. So my name is Teacher Grace Lee. Uh,
Yeah.
how about you? What's your name?
My name Minh Phương. My
Mi
name Minh Phương.
Mi Fuang.
Yes.
What is your English name? Do you have an English name?
Yes.
What is it?
Mm.
You you can't remember? Oh, so uh what will I call you?
Yeah.
Can you repeat your name or your nickname?
Yeah.
Please say it again. Your name?
My name Minh Phương. Yeah.
Okay. So nice to meet you. So how are you today?
Mm. I'm 10 years old.
Please repeat.
I'm 10 years old.
Tornado?
10 years old.
How you know how to speak English?
Oh boy. I'm yet it. I'm 10 years old.
Okay. Do you know how to speak English? Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. So, how old are you?
Fine, thank you.
Please repeat.
I'm fine, thank you.
Ah, you're fine. Okay, very good. So, how about your age? How old are you? You are 4 years old, 5 years old,
10 years old.
10?
10. 10. Yes.
Oh, you are 10 years old. So, yeah, can you say it like I'm 10 years old? Please repeat. Say it again. I'm
Me.
10.
10 years old.
Okay, very good. Great job. Okay. So, what is your hobby?
Yes.
Do you have an hobby? Do you like singing or dancing?
And dancing.
Ah,
Dance.
do you know how to dance?
Dance.
Oh, at school you are dancing?
Dance. Yeah.
Okay, okay, very good. So, do you have a pet? Do you have a dog, a cat?
No. No.
Oh, no. So, what is your toy?
Boy.
Yeah, do you have a toy? No? Yes or no?
No.
Oh, you
No.
don't have a toy.
No.
Okay. So, what what is your hobby during free time? What did you do during free time? Oh, you are playing? Do you know how to play?
Con chưa học mấy cái này.
Oh no, okay. How about you are reading? Reading book? Watching movies?
No.
No.
Không có bút để xin vở. Cô vào lấy đi. Xin cô vào lấy đi. Teacher.
Okay, take your time.
Không mua ra được rồi. Hi, teacher.
Hi.
Did the student join?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello, teacher.
Hello. Welcome back.
Yes.
So, do you have a favorite subject? So, what is that? At school.
Oh, yeah.
What subject do you like?
Yeah.
Do you like math, English?
Okay.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Okay. So, what is your favorite animals?
Animal.
Do
Cat,
you?
dog, elephant, lion,
Wow. Wow.
uh,
Three? Three animals?
rabbit, rabbit, rabbit,
A rabbit.
rabbit,
Okay.
dinosaur.
Dinosaur. You like dinosaur? Rawr.
Yeah.
What dinosaur do you like?
Yeah.
What is the name of the dinosaur?
Con chỉ học mỗi dinosaur, không biết tên thật được.
You don't know?
Yeah.
Okay. I forgot also the names of the dinosaur. But
Yeah.
you are watching dinosaurs movie? No? Yes.
Yeah.
No. Okay. Do you know how to play, or do you have any sports or instrument? No? Do you know how to play basketball?
Basketball. Yeah.
Yes? Oh, very good. How about, do you know how to play a guitar?
Yeah. Guitar, piano,
Wow.
mm,
Violin. Do you know?
violin.
Wow. That's great. So you have so many skills.
Yeah.
Okay. So, are you ready for our
Yes.
lesson for today?
Yeah.
Okay. So, okay, let me share my screen first. Wait for a moment.
Yeah.
Can you see it?
Okay.
Okay. So, let's start. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Wait for a moment. Okay. Do you know how to read English word?
Yes.
Okay. Can you read this word? Oh, wait for a moment. Oh, okay. This word. This read.
Mm-hmm.
This repeat.
Hello.
Oh, very good. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, next. So, what are different ways to say
Yes.
hello?
Hello.
Okay. Please read this. This one. Can you see it? Can you read this word?
Con chưa biết tất cả các từ này.
You can't read? You don't
Yes,
know how to read a word?
yes.
Okay, I will read it first, then you repeat, okay?
Yes.
Okay. So, good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, very good. How about this? Good
Good
evening.
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 Okay, very good. Next, good
Good
afternoon.
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 Please repeat af.
Up.
Af. F.
Up.
F.
At.
Afternoon.
Afternoon.
Okay. So next, how about this? Can you read this word?
He.
Okay. Uh, this is hi.
Hi.
Okay. Hi.
Hi.
Like hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hi. Okay.
Hello.
Remember that. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Very good. So next slide. I'll wait for a moment. Okay. I will erase the line first.
Mhm.
Oh. What do you say when you leave someone?
Mhm.
Leave. Okay.
Okay.
Can you read this word?
See you
Yes.
that's it.
Later.
Later.
Okay, very good. Can you read it fast?
See you later.
Okay, very good. How about this? Good.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
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 How about this?
Bye.
Okay, very good. Okay. Next.
Okay.
Okay, next slide. Wait for a moment. Oh, there's another one. Can you read this?
See you tomorrow.
Row.
Bro.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Okay, very good. Great job.
Thank you.
So next. Okay, wait for a moment. Oh, goodbye, friend.
Goodbye here. Hello here.
Please repeat. Read it again.
Yes.
Say goodbye, friend.
Goodbye, friend.
Can you wave your hand?
Hello, friend.
Yeah, hello, friend. Goodbye,
Hello.
friend.
Goodbye, friend.
Can you do this?
Tuesday. Hello,
Like
friend.
this. Your hand.
Goodbye, friend.
No. I mean, look at teacher. Look at me. Wave
Uh-huh.
your hand.
Uh-huh.
Can I see your hand? Where's your hand? This one. Where is your hand?
Raise your hand.
Can I see your hand? This one. Where's your hand?
Hello, hand, friend.
You don't know what is hand? You can understand what is hand? This is a hand.
Mm.
Okay, do this. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, wave your hand like this. Hello, friend.
Hello, friend.
Okay, very good. Good job. Okay, please read it again. This one.
Hello, Valentin.
Again.
Again.
Okay, very good. So let's proceed to the next slide. Okay. Oh, look at the picture. Can you see it? Can you see the picture?
Yes.
Okay, very good. So I have a question, then you answer me, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So look at the picture. How many children are there in the playground? Can you count? Do you know how to count?
Good.
Yes or no? Do you know how to count?
Yes.
Okay, please count the children in the playground in the picture.
Mm-hmm.
How many children? Is it 5? Is it
5,
6 or 7?
7,
How many?
5,
5?
5.
Okay, we were going to count. Okay, wait for a moment. I will change the color. Oh, I can't. Why? Okay,
1.
okay. This is number 1. Let's
Number
repeat.
2.
Number 2.
Okay.
Number 3.
Number 4.
4.
Number 5.
Number 5.
Number 6.
Okay, very good. Excellent. Okay. How many children? They are
They are
6
6
children.
children.
There are 6 children in the playground.
Playground.
Okay, very good. So, next question. What is the building that's behind the children? What is this? The building. What do you call this?
School.
A school. Very good. Excellent. Great job. It is a school. The school.
The
Okay. School.
Cool.
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 S school.
At cool.
A school.
At cool.
Okay, okay. Nice try. Okay. Okay, how about next question? How many grown-ups can you see? Can you see a grown-up? An old one?
One. Yeah.
Yeah,
One.
very good. So, there is one grown-up. Okay. Great job. Oh, okay. Can you see the arrow?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. So, next question. Do you think she is a teacher?
One.
No.
Leader.
This is a teacher or a student? She is a teacher or a student?
Uh-huh.
Yes?
Yes.
Teacher or student?
Yes.
Please say it. Teacher? Teacher?
Teacher. Yes.
Okay, very good. You're correct. Yes. So next. Okay, please wait for a moment. Okay. How about this? We're going to read a word. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, please read this word. Okay. This word, please read.
E.
Can you read this? Do you know how to read this word? This one. Can you read? No? 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 Do you know how to read? Sky.
Hi.
Okay. Sky.
Hi.
Very good. So next. This is a sky.
Hi.
Okay. So this is a sky.
Hi.
The sky above.
Uh-huh.
Okay? You understand?
Yes.
Okay. So next. Sit. Please read.
Try.
Sit.
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 Chair.
Chair.
Do you know what is chair?
Yes. Chair.
So what is that? Do you know?
Chair là cái ghế.
Okay, this. Take a look at the picture. This is a chair.
Chair.
Okay, very good. So next, please read. Okay, I will read it first, then you repeat, okay?
Okay.
Skateboard.
Cat toy.
Skateboard.
Toy. Cat toy.
Okay. Okay, this is a skateboard.
Cat toy.
Do you know how to ride on the skateboard?
Cat toy. Yes.
Do you have a skateboard?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So next, backpack. Backpack.
Jet.
Next, rucksack.
Rocket.
So this is an example of backpack. Backpack, backpack. Do you have a backpack?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know Dora? Dora the Explorer? You don't know? It's okay, it's okay. So let's proceed to our lesson. Please read this.
Big.
By
Bye. Big
By-
bye.
bicycle.
Big bar.
Bicycle.
Bicycle.
Very good. How about this?
Pig.
Bike.
Bye.
Do you know what is bike?
Bye.
So this is a bike.
Bye.
Oh, this is a bike, a bicycle, a bike. Okay, next. Grass.
Grass.
So this is a grass. This one is grass. Okay?
Okay.
Very good. So how about this? Please read. Sun.
Sun.
Glasses.
Glasses.
Sunglasses.
Sunglasses.
Okay, so take a look at the picture. What is sunglasses? Oh, there. Can you see this?
Yes.
This
Sunglasses.
is a sunglasses.
Glasses.
Here. We put
Here.
the sunglasses here.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Okay.
So how about the next? Okay. Roof.
Roof. Roof.
Very good. So this is a roof.
Roof.
Okay?
Okay.
The next. Okay. Wait for a moment. Oh, can you see the picture again?
Yes.
Okay. I have a question, then you need to answer me again. Okay?
Okay.
So, let's proceed. Where is the sky?
Sky.
Can you circle? Do you know how to circle the sky
Yes.
in your laptop or your monitor? Please circle the sky. Where is the sky?
Sky.
Can you point it? Where is the sky? So this is the sky, okay? How about the seat? Where is the seat? So this is the seat, okay?
Yes, yes.
How about the skateboard?
Skateboard. Skateboard. Skateboard.
Where is the skateboard? So this is...
Skateboard.
Okay, very good. How about the backpack? Do you see the backpack? Can you see the backpack? Backpack. Where is the backpack? Backpack.
Yes. Yes.
What is the color of the backpack?
Green, orange, pink.
Oh, very good. Pink.
Orange.
Orange. Very good. Excellent. Good job. Okay, how about the bicycle? Where is the bicycle?
Blue. 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 Blue.
Blue. Oh, yes,
Blue.
very good. This is the bicycle. Great job. So how about the grass? What is the color of the grass? Grass. Can you see it? Color.
White.
White. Let's try again. Color. This one. What color is this?
Green.
Very good. So that is the grass.
Red.
Very good. So the sunglasses. Where
Sunglasses.
is the sunglasses?
Sunglasses.
What color?
Color. Brown.
Brown? Try again. This one. What color is this? Color black.
Black.
Okay. Remember that this is
Black.
color black.
Black.
Black. Okay, very good. So next, where is the roof? Roof. On the building. Where is the roof? So this is a roof.
The roof.
Okay. So you did a great job today. Okay, wait for a moment. Okay, I will stop the screen share. Okay. So have you fun?
Yeah.
Do you enjoy?
Yes.
Okay. So, please read more English word, okay?
Okay.
Do you have a book?
Yeah.
English book?
Yeah.
Okay. Please read it always, okay?
Okay.
Every day
Okay.
before you are going to sleep. Read the English word book.
Yeah.
The
Yeah.
book. Your
Yes.
book, okay?
Okay.
So that is your homework. Homework. Do you know what is homework? Oh, assignment. How about assignment? Do you know what is an assignment? Okay. So next time, so you need to read an English word, okay?
Okay.
That is your homework.
Okay.
Okay. So next time, you are going to tell me the words that you read on your book, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So we have 15 minutes, 5 minutes. Thank you. Thank you so much for coming. So please say it again, your name.
Minh Phượng. My name Minh Phượng.
Name Phu.
Minh Phượng.
Ming Fro.
Phượng.
Phua.
Phượng.
Okay, next time maybe I can say it clearly, okay? So please uh again please your name.
My name is
Please
Minh Phượng.
translate it in English, okay? Translate in English word your name. Okay? Do you understand?
What's your name?
Translate. Do you know what is translate word? Oh, your name in English, okay? That is your homework. Okay, next, in our next lesson, next time, you are going to say your English name, okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. So, thank you again and see you in our next class, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. You can end your Zoom now. Okay?
Okay.
You can leave now. Thank you so much.
Thank you, teacher.
Good night.
Goodbye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Okay.